In this demo, we will continue our exploration of field maps. So my today's topic is visualizing data using color scaled field maps. So we will continue our exploration of field maps along with the hierarchy that we have created in previous demo, and we used this field map in order to represent numeric data and also see how filters can be used in conjunction with features. Let's go ahead and get started. At this point, we have field maps in which three level of hierarchy is created, that is country, state and city. The next step in our agenda is to encode color code with these geographical regions based on the total sale in those areas. Now, anytime you think of color coding, you should be thinking of a color scale. And for that, we need to go format pane. So just navigate to data colors. You will see here color setting. So what we will do, we'll go to the map setting, and in this we will search for map colors for different kind of controls. So if you search here, I'm not uh, able to see their color. What I will do, I was searching for this conditional formatting. From formula box FX, this is open up a dialog where we can set up a color scale. So what I will do, I will click here, and yes, this will open a dialog box where we can set the colors. Again, please remember, anytime you go to color code and another control, create a map of any other control, you should be thinking of color scale. This is also on screen now. We have color scale dialog. Where format by, we will use gradient. Gradient means color scale. Based on field, we will go. So, so in summarize, what will be the field you should use? I am going for toy sales, and we will use in toy sales sum of sales. We will search for sum, and yes, sum of sales, the symbol sigma represents sum of sales. And summarization function changes to sum, that is the default summarization. Let's pick color associated with the minimum and maximum value. We start by picking a color picker on minimum value and use the more color option to the bottom left. So we will go to the more color and choose the deep red shade. In similar fashion, we specify color for maximum, and we go to a with a bright green icon there. So we will go there and select in more colors. Here is a green, and we will go with bright green icon. So we have chosen to color we satisfied with. We go ahead and hit OK. What this is asking? What this is asking for a custom. as 0. We need to specify a value here. 0. What kind of values we need to specify here? So if I am using average, then also I need to set it. 1 I'm entering, and maximum value, I'm just entering a random value. I really don't know it's adjustable or not. Then I will hit OK. When we now return to our field map visualization, we can see that there may be some different kind of visualization there. So first, what I really need to do, by going in the yes, go here. In that reason, for instance, on screen, the untitled, first what we need to do. Till now, let's see the confirm that by hovering over there. What we need to do here first, we just need to delete this country hierarchy. Okay. So there is some color changes even there. What I need to do, first I need to delete this country hierarchy because we have gone through we have used very much hierarchy over here. So what I really need to do, let's see, and hovering over that by country and looking at the tooltip. It is showing country and the value of different countries. Now we have enough of drill down. We work with these plenty. So let's get rid of country hierarchy from the location field, and in addition the state field by itself. First we will click here, and what we will do, we will simply drag and drop state field here. If we drag and drop state field here, you will see at this point all of the drill down option from the top even deleted. So you can option let vanish. So let's hover over the state. You can see that we still have the color coding here, which we have done. So another important little point from here, we just saw, even we just changed the field's location, and we went from having country hierarchy, from just having the state, the data color scale, what we just learned that the setting what we have done is even working now. So it's not even deleted completely here. So when we go to the focus mode, we will see this is also showing the same kind of things even here. So what we will need to do here. So again, by changing of data, you are plotting on field maps, does not change the color scale that you have changed in setup. We can easily see that. The next point is to fix those tooltip. You can see right now the tooltip only contain name of the state. So what is the next thing you need to do? First, we need to go here and If we really want to change the colors, we can change from here. We can go with more color option. So in the visualization tab, Power BI makes it really easy to change the tooltip. We scroll down in the fields menu, that is the visualization tab, and we can see there tooltips. Add data fields here, which you really want to show in your tooltip. Then there is no field currently specifying. We fix that by dragging and dropping sales field into tooltips. I'm considering, I'm dragging here and putting it here. Then what kind of change it will make? It will show that even you hovering over the state, name of the state and sum of sales will be, which is 149,837 million for state BC. So in the similar fashion, you can see for the state NSW, sum of sales is this. You can even see in Europe, state Islay of Wight showing sum of sales with specific value 78240. State NV is showing up a specific sale. So the tooltip section, and now when we hover over the individual state, we can see that tooltip contains the name of state as well as a total sales recorded in that. So these tooltips are so handy. But what if you try to add in some another feature to the tooltip that Power BI allows us to do so? So what we will do, we will just drag and drop quantity order in tooltips. By doing this, we can see some of quantity order is also there. Here is also there. Here is also. So you can see this is showing things we can just change by simply dragging and dropping in our visualization pane. So we explored field map along with the hierarchy and drill down and also see how anytime we wish to color code a map and another control in terms of color scale. What we will do now, we will go here and we will see. I just want to show you some more color with more control, which are about to change the style of the map, showing labels. We want can do it on and off. And now if we go to the legend, there are few more options which are top left. You want here all these things, top right. Similarly, text you really want here, which kind of text you really want. So if I want to change the color here in conditional formatting, first what I will do to here by color coding, and in toy sales, if we go here, if I'm going to show sum of sales, this simply sigma button shows sum of sales. So automatically there is a summarization will be there, and you can see you can change here some more setting. Okay, you can go here and you can fix red color. You can go here and fix this, say go to more colors and green color. You can also add some middle one colors. How should we format empty values? We just click here, don't format, or we can format even 0. So if I'm putting here value 1, here for say I'm saying XYZ value. Let's put in these random values and we are hitting OK. So you even can see, you can even remove that conditional formatting if you really don't like that at the same moment. So this is the exploration of field map, how we can change the color, how we can change the font, how we can drill down to the state and some other levels, city, country. So this is all about of field maps from my side. And please, for more videos, please continue watch the channel. Okay. Thank you so much.